nerd good morning
Good morning.
teacher
Teacher.
very good now a nerd for today you study about the letter B okay this one letter B had the sound of B very good look at the first picture repeat after teacher okay B B boy very good he is a
Boy.
very good nurse and number two what is this
Banana.
banana very good well done B banana
Banana.
very good nurse and for next one number three yes what is this
Wow.
oh well done student it is a ball very good again B ball well done nurse and number four this one number four very good what is this balloon very good it is a balloon repeat after teacher B balloon well done nurse and for next one numberน้องเนิร์ด what is this number 5 yes what is this it is a bus oh well done the final sound is listen to the teacher bus เยี่ยมลูก B bus well done for the last one the last picture number 6 very good this one what is this this one say bicycle very good again bicycle well done student B bicycle oh very good student say thank you teacher nurse thank you teacher